Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a fortune teller. For making this you have to need a rectangle sheet, or you can also take a square sheet. Pair of silver, 4 color of your choice. You can take another color also. I have taken primary red, orange, sky blue and light green. So start the video. So I have cut the square sheet and you have to first do like this. And you have to do another side like this. And then you have to fold it like this. And then first you have to do like this. Then like this. And on the other side you have to do like this. And this side you have to same do like this. To back the paper, then you have to do easy like this. This side you have to same do like this. This side also same you have to do. Try to do same like. Then to fold. I made this. You take color. I am taking an orange, and you have to make circle of your choice. I am making a circle. And then blue. And then light green. And then primary red. I have color. And then take a pen and write numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you have to need sketch pen. Open it. You have to write under what you become after growing. I am writing here astronaut, scientist, engineer, doctor, teacher, and then a space scientist, at last advocate. Then close it. You have to put hand on it. If you tell green color, so you have to do like this: GREEN, green, and you have to choose number. I am choosing 2, TWO 2, and then I am choosing 8, EIGSTE. Then you have to open it. I have choose number 2, so I become scientist or advocate.